Hi everyone! Let's do a timber log cabin in Blender that deforms and bends under its own weight with the Matchstick add-on. As an input, we need a mesh without faces. For instance, take the unit cube, select it, go to edit mode, select all faces, remove the faces, so that you are left with a mesh that just consists of edges. I assume you know how to model with these kinds of meshes. For instance, you can subdivide edges. Let's build a little roof structure here by moving this vertex over. Let's connect these two faces here. Let's also connect these vertices here. We do this by selecting the vertices and then hitting the F key. And let's make it a little more shallow, and there we are. So we select those vertices that are to be deformed. These are the uppermost 5 vertices. Let's go back to object mode, and if you have successfully installed the Matchstick plugin, there's a menu entry here called Loaded Matchstick Mesh. We just call it, and it gives a little panel here, a sub-menu, where you can adjust the displacement to your liking. Let's go to wireframe mode just for performance reasons here. You can adjust the rotations and the displacements to your liking. Let's do something that is realistic here. Okay. And to get a nicer impression, let's go over to Material Preview. Let us just focus on the bend shape here. And let's choose this outdoor scene, increase the world opacity a bit, and we see that there is a nice wood texture here, which gives our structure already the impression of a bent, decrepit old cabin in the logs. We can increase the strength and play with the world opacity. We can also turn off the floor, the grid here. Alright, basically this is the basic functioning. There are more examples that you can find in this folder, Matchstick example inputs. For instance, we have this structure here. The vertices are pre-selected for you in this blend file, so all we have to do is go back to object mode, call the operator, and deform this to our liking. Let's increase here the diameter of those wood beams a bit. Let's go over to Material Preview. Let's once again turn off all extras. Delete those and choose the outdoor scene. For the lighting, and we end up with this wood log cabin. Thanks for watching.